Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you see right here, you have Uniswap. Okay, and this is the Defi, and as you see, Uniswap is sitting at price at $26.97. A lot of people did put their coins into this Defi, and they're kind of getting interest over the year, and it's a pretty good thing. I'm not even gonna lie, and it seems pretty legit. And we were like, where is it heading with the actual price? Okay, so with the actual price, I think that we're gonna be heading around this area right here. And then kind of from there on push to the upside. And why is that? Basically just because this is kind of a retest area, so it was a resistance 2 times. Okay, so I think that it could be a support at this moment, and it is a pretty quite volatile area right here. I mean, it is at from 2352 to 2241 to the downside, and that's about my prediction on the Uniswap. Okay, so yeah, peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye. I know this video was short, but it is what it is. I just want to keep the video short. Like this, not that quite informative too, but just a short prediction about the technical analysis, and that's it. Consider liking and subscribing, and bye.